Hi everyone, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. If you're new here and just stopping by, I hope you like what you see and consider subscribing. I do a lot of farmhouse DIYs, Dollar Tree DIYs, trash to treasure, thrifting. I'm going to be starting a new open challenge or open collaboration on my channel called Using Trash to Create Treasure. So if you're into that type of thing, I hope you join my YouTube family. As for today, I'm going to be joining in with Natalie from Designedtothenines and Kristen from kristinkay. They came up with this open collaboration called the Ultimate Fall Wreath Playlist. So when Natalie invited me, I was super excited to join in on this playlist. So if you'd like to see what I made, please keep watching. So for my first one, I'm going to be making a fabric leaf wreath, and all you're going to need for this is a mini wreath form. I was originally going to be using this cardboard cutout that I made, but I decided to go with the Dollar Tree mini wreaths. And I'm just using some burlap fabric and some of this checkered fabric. And all you do is just kind of cut out leaf shapes. I went outside and actually got a leaf from one of our trees and traced it, but then ended up just kind of doing my own thing and just cutting it out freehand. And then you're going to take a little bit of hot glue and put it at the end and pinch them together like this. And then just keep doing that. I cut out probably about 50 leaves from both fabrics. I didn't end up using all of them, but you can definitely fill it up a lot more than I did. And for this, it's kind of hot when you pinch it after you put the glue on. So I don't know where the footage went, but I ended up using a clothespin to hold them shut right after, there it is, right after I put the glue on. So then I just took some hot glue and started positioning the leaves on the wire form, and I kind of staggered them. I did one on the inside ring and then the outside in the middle, and just kind of went through like that, and then added the burlap in kind of sparingly. I was originally going to alternate them, doing the checkered and the burlap and checkered and burlap, but I didn't like that look when I tried it, so I'm just going to be doing it this way. And you can use less than I did, you can use more and really fill it up and bulk it up. I think that would look really cool too. And I ended up hanging mine on my little barn door in the bathroom, and I think it looks really cute there. I wish the fabric was black and white, but I didn't have any, so I just went with the blue and white. Or you can hang it on your door like this. So I think that was a fun and different type of fall wreath. And I also wanted to do more of like a traditional fall wreath. So I went with some boxwood stems from Walmart. Those are only 97 cents. So pretty good deal, cheaper than the dollar store. I had some leftover greenery and just like sprigs and stuff of different things from the Dollar Tree. These pumpkins are also from Walmart. They were 98 cents. And I'm just going to paint over a couple of them. And that wreath form was also from the Dollar Tree. I love this chalk paint in this really light blue color. I also used a white and an antique white and mixed them together for one of the pumpkins. And this is how they turned out. And again, I ended up switching the wreath form that I wanted to use. You can go ahead and use anything. Like I said, you could even use a cardboard cutout. So I'm just going to play around with the positioning of it. I actually tried this a few different times, but I didn't leave that in the video because that would have taken up too much time. So originally I thought I wanted them to all go in one direction, but then didn't really like how that turned out, so I went ahead and took it apart. So I decided to go with some of this lavender, which I've said in other videos, it's one of my favorites. I love them. Those are from Walmart. They are 97 cents. And I don't know why, I just have such a hard time making wreaths look right. I love them in stores and I have all these ideas and everything, and then when I get home and try and make it myself, I don't know. I don't like the way they look, but this one I was happy with. I thought it turned out really organic and cool looking. I like it with the purple. So then I just took these picks and started gluing them to the wreath, and make sure they're glued down really, really well. You can use that wreath wire stuff, or just some twine, and tie it around so that it holds once you put it up on the door. And I took some of the pumpkins that I painted and glued those on really good. I left the orange one plain because I liked how that looked. And then I went ahead and added some fall leaves. These are fake, they're just ones that I had left over from last year from the dollar store. And I also took a large chunk of burlap and cut that so that I could use that as my hanger. And again, I hot glued those before I put them in. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to head on over to the Fall Wreath playlist. I will have that linked in my description box. And check out Natalie's channel at designedtothenines and Kristen's from kristinkay. Also, don't forget, on the 26th, I will be co-hosting with Natalie from Design to the Nines. And that is also an open challenge for anybody who wants to join. It's called Girls Can Use Power Tools. You can head on over to Natalie's channel and check out the rules for Girls Can Use Power Tools challenge. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're new here, I really appreciate you stopping by. I hope you like what you see and join my YouTube family. If you're one of my returning friends, thank you so very, very much. I really appreciate all of your support and loving comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye!